Okay, the creator. So, AKA the artist, the designer, the visionary, the entrepreneur. So that's you, the creator. Meet the creator. Innovation is the top desire for the creator archetype. They're forward thinkers who aim to make something original. Okay? They value self-expression and creativity. Creativity is the spark which ignites progress. Purpose. Creators' purpose is to blaze a new trail in their field and follow their artistic ambitions. The desire of the creator is progress and self-expression. Fears, stagnation, unoriginality, indifference, familiarity, and copying. Challenges, extreme perfectionism, insecurity, and frustration. Motivations, adventure, exploration, the unknown, self-discovery, liberation, and fulfillment. Goals, to enjoy creative work life. Promise is innovation. Okay, so if any of this stuff really sounded like it was hitting home, it's because, again, look at the creator. It's an entrepreneur. It's you, right? So we can look at here these fears, stagnation, unoriginality, indifference, familiarity, copying, right? So it's copying other people. It's looking for other people's approval where you're not being original. You're going to stagnate, okay? These are all these things. So really go over this because they really help you understand yourself better as an entrepreneur. The creator examples in culture, any of these. Creator values, imagination, freedom, originality, creativity, self-expression, innovation. Creative imagery, good variety here. What does the creator sound like? Well, they sound excited, descriptive, visual, cutting edge, imaginative, curious, metaphorical. People feel amazed, inspired, ahead of the curve, daring, expressive, ready to create for themselves, and artistic. Creator vocabulary is right here. Creator strategy, celebrate the creative process while also empowering others to express themselves. Leverage their audience imagination and desire to create, innovate. Make products which demonstrate uniqueness or allow customers to express their creative style. Brand experience. So it's on the cutting edge of something new and innovative, experiencing an authentic expression of art. Excited to see what new creation will be manifested next. And customers feel their ideas are as good as others and are less afraid to express them. Customers almost feel privileged to be part of the creator's unique artistic expression. The culture of the creator, self-expression, design, and unique. Creator examples, okay? Obviously we have Apple here, Crayola, Lego. These are all creator brands. And we've got creative commercials. Which one are we going to watch? So let's see this Lego one.
I don't always want you to help me. Do you know why? I want to figure it out on my own. Even when it doesn't turn out the way I want. I know it's not wrong. Because you taught me how to think. And how to dream. I'm about to make something that I know will make you proud.
Okay, so obviously a good example there, really showing kids using their imagination, obviously creating, building something with the Lego, where you can see it's really showing how they're dreaming this like a reality that they're dreaming, and they're able to play these Legos in different places in the house and really create their own world. Okay, and that's what Lego's about. That imagination, that playfulness, that creativity. Okay, so take a look at the other videos here. The other examples are great examples. Here's some color palettes I put together. Okay. Typography. These are good types if you're the creator brand. Sub-archetypes, so we have the visionary, seeing the invisible, bringing an enlightened perspective along with great imagination. They're able to see the potential that other people miss. The storyteller, emotional communicator, thriving on dramatic expression, they bring ideas to life that allow people to connect to things on deeper levels. The artist, creative expression. With a deep psychological need to express themselves, they are known for challenging conventional wisdom with unorthodox perspectives. Then we have the perfectionist, shooting for the stars. This innovative self-starter is achievement-oriented and strong-willed, which makes them pros at turning dreams into reality. Creator industry categories that work nicely: technology, art, marketing, and design. Okay, so again, if you're unsure, take the brand personality quiz, get sure, confirm, and then express.